Jill saying my solder pallions are still too big or too small. Any cutting tips? Yeah, must we say flatten them, isn't it?
Yeah,
Rolling mill.
Flatten them in a rolling mill, and then when you come to
or a hammer and block if you don't have a rolling mill.
Exactly. You can hammer them, and then let me just very, very quickly. Let's see if I can do this really, really quickly to show you now. Where's my ball peen hammer? There.
That's a great tip, Janet. I kept my pallion with snips inside a plastic bag because they fly everywhere. Yeah.
Very good tip.
I'll be doing that.
Like that, yeah. So yeah, you can make your pallions really thin. Okay, so that now is a lot thinner on the ends. And the best way to do this, I find, is to cut a little fringe down the end. Okay, so you're in control of what's going on. So down that little bit of hard solder, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 little fringes going down, okay? And now I can come along, put my finger over the end and just cut that solder. And now I've got 6 of the smallest, tiniest pieces of solder that I can use. And because I've hammered it nice and thin, it's a very thin piece of metal. I put 6 fringes down it, I can cut across and I can get the smallest amount of solder. And they are literally like 1/3 of a millimetre by a millimetre. You can get them really, really small. And by putting your finger over the end and just simply coming along and cutting. So I've got the cutters resting on the bottom of my finger. That's my phone, thank you. Just come across like that. As you can see, that's about 1 millimetre by a millimetre. So you can get very small pallions.